Today on Irish Off-Road, I'm Brian.
I'm Justin.
And we
Bought a dirt bike.
Alright YouTube, so this is a 2002 Yamaha TTR. I'm not really a big dirt bike guy, so I've never actually heard of this. The motor is like a 220 or a 230. Somebody on here I'm sure will know. Go ahead and leave us a comment. Let us know what this actually is. We're just gonna play with it. We got it. The guy's been sitting. He bought this thing used, and he let it sit in his backyard like most people do with toys, and just let it go. So it's got like 5-year-old gas in it, a battery that doesn't work, and we're gonna literally just do the bare minimum. So we're gonna try and get the battery charging, put some new gas in it, see if she works. Goals would be doing wheelies down the middle of the road tonight.
Little tech tip here. Always keep random containers around the house. You never know when you're going to buy a project that you're going to have to drain 5-year-old gas out of, or a race car that you got to drain the gas out of weekly. So always keep these containers around. Make sure you piss your wife off, but keep clean and properly dispose of all your fluids.
We live in California, guys, so we know that proper disposal is what keeps the.
So normally I would pressure wash something off before I let it come in my garage, but loaned my pressure washer out to a buddy of mine. You've probably seen it in a recent video. Haven't seen it back.
My God, guys, look at this gas. Move your hand. Gas is not supposed to be the color of Gatorade. Also, guys, another tech tip: if your pee ever looks like this,
go see a doctor.
Go see a doctor. Do not like 5-year-old gas, so we will drain it up your. Subscribe.
Yes.
Yeah, I hope so. You gotta get lower. Did you drink it?
No, I had my tongue blocking it, thank God. But it's on the bottom of my tongue. Before that.
Time to properly dispose of this into a container.
Featured off camera.
That will get properly disposed of. So we're stealing a battery out of our buddy's Jeep right now.
More brake cleaner. Keys off. Oh, there we go.
Pour some gas in it. Alright, YouTube, you just saw it. She's trying to crank up literally
just on brake cleaner.
We have done nothing.
What are you doing? Take the freaking cap off that thing.
We are in California. I abide by all EPA rules.
Is this extra parts?
It was right there in that upper mounting hole.
No, it doesn't.
It did on mine.
Mine's there.
Oh, well then mine's missing. Put it back in, it'll fire up.
Well, we just realized what time it was, and the neighbors are probably not happy with us. Our bad.
Yep. Alright, YouTube. We'll see you tomorrow.